Hello friends, welcome to the massive open online course on numerical methods under SWAYAM. This course on numerical methods is a basic course in mathematics which explores some basic concepts of numerical methods in solving various equations. We will begin the course with the methods of finding solution of algebraic and transcendental equations using bisection method, regular-Falsy method, fixed point iteration method, Newton-Raphson method and Horner's method. The direct and indirect methods of solving linear system of algebraic equations will be discussed in this course. It includes Gauss elimination method, Gauss-Jordan method, factorization method, Gauss-Jacobi iteration method and Gauss-Seidel iteration method. This course will help students who are doing an undergraduate course in science and engineering of various universities. This is a 12-week course comprising 40 modules, each having 30 minutes lectures and assignments. It is my immense pleasure to invite you to this course, and I am looking forward to interact with you throughout the course. Thank you.